our secrets hum. The crucible glows, the work begun. Leave whispers low, a burden sigh, to shed its skin beneath the sky. The fire dances wild and free, a spark of a divine decree. Through the flame, the soul takes flight, from base to goal through endless night. The prima materia bends and sings, a phoenix born on molten wings. Transmute, transform the spirit's call. The alchemist rises beyond the fall. The mercury weeps, the sulfur burns, the wheel of fate forever turns. A riddle wrapped in smoke and lore, the seeker knocks on heaven's door. So to the earth, the body's plea unites the three in mystery. Through the flame, the soul takes flight, from base to goal through endless night. The prima materia bends and sings, a phoenix born on molten wings. Transmute, transform the spirit's call. The alchemist rises beyond the fall. The alchemy roars, a sacred art. The mind, the soul, the beating heart. Dissolve the dross, the shadows flee, coagulate to eternity. The stone is forged, both red and bright, the dawn of truth within the night. Through the flame, the soul takes flight, from base to goal through endless night. The prima materia bends and sings, a phoenix born on molten wings. Transmute, transform the spirit's call. The alchemist rises beyond the fall. In silence now, the work is done. The moon embraced, the sun has won. A whisper lingers in the air, the gold was always hidden there. Salt of the earth, the body's pleas, unites the three in mystery, unites the three in mystery. The off the north roars of rebirth, the wheel of faith forever turn, the wheel of faith forever turn. The asana roars, a sacred art. The mind, the soul, the beating heart. Dissolve the dross, the shadows flee, coagulate to eternity. A stone is forged, both red and bright, the dawn of truth within the night. Stone is forged, both red and bright, the dawn of truth within the night. In silence now, the work is done. The moon breaks, the sun has won. A whisper lingers in the air.